Most people get this wrong and end up paying way more than they need to for TV in 2026. Here's the truth no one tells you. Hulu with Live TV and Spectrum are not just different services, they are built for completely different viewing habits, and choosing wrong can cost you hundreds per year. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Hulu with Live TV compares to Spectrum, which one gives better value, which one has fewer hidden costs, and which option actually fits your lifestyle. Let's break it down clearly. First, let's talk about Hulu with Live TV. This is a streaming-based service that works entirely over the internet. You don't need a cable box. You just need an app on your phone, smart TV, or streaming device. Now here's where it gets interesting. Hulu with Live TV includes live channels, sports, and on-demand content, all in one place. And it also bundles Disney Plus and ESPN Plus in many plans. That adds a lot of value if you watch multiple types of content. Now let's look at Spectrum. Spectrum is traditional cable TV, even though it now includes streaming options. You usually need a cable box or app login tied to your internet subscription. But here's the problem many users don't realize. Spectrum often comes with extra equipment fees, broadcast fees, and regional pricing differences that can increase your monthly bill without warning. So how do they really compare? Hulu with Live TV is more flexible. You can cancel anytime, switch devices easily, and avoid hardware installations. It's ideal for people like Jake, who moves between apartments or watches TV mostly on mobile devices. Spectrum is more stable for households that want traditional TV, local channels, and bundled internet service. It can work better for families like John's household, where multiple TVs and cable boxes are already set up. But here's the key decision point. Hulu with Live TV is usually cheaper overall when you include hidden cable fees from Spectrum. However, Spectrum can sometimes offer better regional sports coverage depending on your location. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you combine Spectrum Internet with Hulu Live TV, you can actually replace Spectrum TV completely while keeping the same internet connection, which is what many users are doing in 2026. Quick recap. Hulu with Live TV is flexible, streaming first, and easier to manage. Spectrum is traditional, bundled, and sometimes more expensive due to extra fees. The better choice depends on whether you want simplicity or a full cable-style setup. If you want convenience and flexibility, Hulu wins. If you want traditional cable reliability, Spectrum still holds value. That's it. You now know exactly how both services compare without marketing confusion or hidden surprises. If this helped, like the video, comment which one you're using, and subscribe for more simple streaming comparison guides like this.